Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new MacBook Air 15-inch. So it turns out I wanted to have a travel machine that was fast, so when we're on the road and we're doing videos, we can do it. So here it is, the new MacBook Air 15-inch M2. Let's open it. All right, 1, 2. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh. It's open. Ooh, look at this, all nice. Okay, beautiful. Dude, that's not too bad. It's pretty good size. So let's see what we have here. So first of all, we have the laptop. Take off the nice paper. Oh, check that color out. Isn't that a beautiful color? Look at that. Pretty neat. All right, so this is a 15-inch. I've got, I think, 16 gigabytes of memory upgrade and upgraded to a 1 terabyte SSD. So it's supposed to give me very good performance. All right, what else is in the box? Oh, nice cable. Check this out. So it's one of those woven ones, which is nice, and it's the same color. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same color as the laptop, and it's one of those magnetic connectors. So let's see. Where is it over here? Right here. So it goes right in there. Magnetic. Boom, it's in. So there you go. Look, it's got two USB-C ports and the magnetic connector. And then the USB-C on the other end. And there's a headphone jack on the other edge. All right, what else do we have here? Let's see. Aha, a box of something. And I happen to get this with the 70-watt power supply because I wanted to have something that would charge it fast. So there it is. It's a 70-watt power supply. And it's this end here. And this is power supply. And then just hook it up. And I'm all set. So that's pretty nice. But let's take a look. Let's see, we'll take that off. Is there anything in here? Probably not, just stickers and things like that. So let's take a look though. Let's open it up. Oh, look at that. Oh, and it comes up automatically. There you go, look at this. It's got a huge trackpad, nice place to put your palm rest on. Look at it, it boots it right up, just right away. And really nice keyboard and everything else. So let me turn it around a little bit and I'll try it here. We'll look on the overhead camera. So pretty nice. Look at that, fits nice. Nice big trackpad. Okay, so this is a pretty sweet machine. So I'm going to go off and I'm going to get it all installed and loaded and give it a go. We wanted to see how well this new 15-inch MacBook Air would work as our Final Cut Pro studio while on the road. So we tested against our other two Macs. Our primary machine is the iMac in our studio. It is a 2020 Intel-based desktop machine loaded with memory and SSD. Our travel machine has been the old 13-inch 2018 Intel-based MacBook Air. The new 15-inch MacBook Air uses the Apple Silicon M2 processor. It also gives us a lot of display real estate, which is key in editing with Final Cut Pro, especially for the timeline. We rendered a 12-minute video with some complex elements on each machine. We set the output to 4K in best quality. The old 13-inch MacBook Air took what seemed like forever at 82 minutes. The new MacBook Air created the output in 18 minutes. Not bad. Now, keep in mind the old 13-inch MacBook Air is 5 years old, so we expected a big jump. Finally, we tested the iMac in our studio. It took only 14 minutes. The new MacBook Air will make a great travel studio. So I'm all excited. The new MacBook Air 15-inch. Thank you for watching.